friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw together a beautiful little mermaid girl on a rock. Are you ready? Let's start. Draw 2 circles and 3 eyelash lines for each eye. Draw a small inverted V for the nose. Draw 3 curved lines for the mouth. Draw the hair with a wavy line. A curved line. A wavy line. And another curved line. Draw wavy lines for the strands of hair that fall on their cheeks. Draw a semicircle for the ear, and then draw the face with a diagonal line and a semicircle. Draw 2 small lines for the eyebrows. From the ear, draw a semicircle for the head. Then draw the tail of the hair with a wavy line and a curved line. Draw the hair tie with a curved line. Now draw the costume in the shape of a shell. Follow me while I'm drawing. Draw a vertical line for the neck and a curved line for the shoulder, a diagonal line for the arm. Draw a horizontal line, a letter V and a U for the hand, then a diagonal line for the arm. Draw a vertical line for the neck and a curved one for the shoulder. Then draw 2 diagonal lines for the body. Now draw 2 lines in the shape of the letter V. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape! Then a small line for the belly button. Draw the mermaid's tail with a quarter circle, a horizontal line, a semicircle, a line in the shape of an inverted letter V, a semicircle, and a curved line. Draw the fins with 4 curved lines. Now draw small curved lines for the scales. Draw the rock with a diagonal line, another diagonal line, another small one, another diagonal line, a horizontal one, a vertical one, a horizontal one, and a diagonal one. Now draw the sun with a circle and many lines in the shape of an inverted V and of different sizes for the rays. Now draw 3 clouds with many curved lines. Follow me while I'm drawing. Wow! Our friends are not great! Good job! Now let's take the colors. Use black for the eyes. Use pink for the skin. Use the darkest pink for the hair. Color the base of the tail and fins with orange. Color the tail with red. Color the tail attachment, the swimsuit, and the sun with yellow. Use indigo to color the clouds. Use gray for the rock. You have become very good at drawing. Our mermaid is sunbathing while waiting for you to play with her. Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!